Rajiv Khandelwal was born in an army family, which involved moving to different cities. However, his roots are still connected with the city of Jaipur. His life was much influenced and nurtured by his mother, as his father was posted somewhere on the borders of the country, for which he feels that he has a lot of similarities with his mother. Rajiv, since his childhood, has moved across the country and changed schools. He feels that such an arrangement in the past enables him to get well with people and makes him feel comfortable around new people. He is a people's person and loves to be socially active. Rajiv has spent very less time in Jaipur but still holds a special connection. To Rajiv, Jaipur is home. He loves the city and the festivals which takes place around the year. Rajiv recalls of an All India essay writing competition where he stood second at the India level and the prize was bestowed by the then Prime Minister of the country. This made him popular and brought fame to him. First brush with fame. His mother pushed him to be a part of the essay competition, and that is an instance because of which he believes that his mother is a constant source of encouragement for him. While Rajiv's acquaintances were filling forms for the various entrance tests of universities post-class 12th, Rajiv was clueless of the path which he wanted to take. He wanted to stay in Ahmedabad, and so he joined the St. Xavier's College in Ahmedabad. Rajiv never wanted to become an actor. He was just fond of the idea of performing on stage, and for the attractiveness of performing on the stage, he was active on stage. He received a lot of glamour and attention while performing, which was very incentivizing for him. After graduation, while mulling over high career options, Rajiv was very firm that he would never work on a 10 to 7 kind of a salaried job. Instead, he would get paid for his talent. He went to Delhi for a pottery exhibition hosted by his aunt and felt the instincts that Delhi was that big city which could fulfill his dreams. By that time, his family was back to Jaipur and they did not like his idea of becoming an actor, for they believed that becoming an actor would be a far-fetched dream for him. He left home and struggled in Delhi to earn a living. While he was auditioning for various roles, he used to sell things to pay his expenses. For Rajiv, this was a hard time yet a fun one. During the period of struggle, he motivated himself by reminding himself each day that he was a national property and called himself the caretaker of Rajiv Khandelwal. He started his acting career with an Ekta Kapoor TV series, Kya Hadsa, Kya Hakikat in 2002, where he played the negative lead in one of the stories. He had auditioned for a role named Sujal, which he eventually played in the serial Kahin To Hoga, which was his first daily serial where he played the male lead from 2003 to 2005. After this, he acted in many television shows which included Time Bomb, 9/11, Sun Lenya, Left Right Left, to name a few. In 2008, he made his Bollywood debut with the film Aamir, which proved to be a turning point in his career. Forth which he became part of many films like Shaitan, Soundtrack, Table Number 21, Samrat and Company, and others. Apart from acting, he has hosted many reality shows which are Deal Ya No Deal, Sach Ka Samna, Supercars, and My Endeavour. In 2015, he returned to television with Sony TV show Reporters. While Rajiv entered the film industry, he never felt that films were more prestigious or superior over television shows. He believes that both the platforms hold their own significance and cannot be ranked. Currently, Rajiv is doing movies, television shows, web series, and a lot more activities. According to Rajiv, eventually in life, happiness is something which matters the most. The happiness is personified by people's smile. That smile can only be earned. It cannot be bought. Everyone is fighting on earth to find their space and time. It is very important for an individual to respect each other's space and existence on earth. It is not necessary for one to love every person, but it is important to respect a person and his or her work as well.